Hello my dear students, how are you all? Welcome to day 44 of our series 99% in 99 days for CBSE Mathematics. In this series we are doing all the questions that is very important for you to prepare for your board's examination. Okay, I am Ankit Srivastav, which is coming every day. I'm coming every day on our platform of Diksha Vedanta Foundation YouTube channel to help you out with this revision. Okay, so again on our platform you're getting the videos for science as well to prepare you in the sciences chapters and the subjects as well, okay, like physics, chemistry and biology. Okay, I hope this is clear. So today we're gonna talk and continue with the chapter area related to circles. This is session number 2 for the chapter. We are going to talk about sector and segments. Okay, means how to find the area of sector, the perimeter of a sector, and how to find the area of a segment as well. We'll talk about all of this in detail. I hope you're prepared. The session is going to be very, very engaging. So please solve all the questions with me. Okay, so if you're thinking that you need more time to solve a question, please pause the video, solve the question from your side, and then come back and check your solutions. Okay, so before I move on to solving the questions, let's check out the chapter plan. Okay, chaliye. Let's have a look, bacha. Again, you have circular ring. We have done this. Today we'll talk about sector and segment. Okay. Now, if you look at the weightage for the entire unit, you have 10 marks, bacha. 4 marks. I have checked your previous year question papers. Almost 4 marks is coming from this chapter. Okay, every year. So not it can be for 3 marks also. It can be for 5 marks also at the same time. But on an average, 4 marks is coming from this chapter all the time. Question category is what? MCQ, 2 marker, 3 marker only. There is no 5 marker question coming from this particular chapter. I have checked the previous year question papers. There are no, in recent past there is no question coming from 5 mark category. But you can have some question in case study as well. So 4 marker can be asked rarely, but can be asked. So be prepared for that as well. Moving on to the concept part now, which is going to be learning the sector. What is the sector? So sector is a part of a circle. Sector is a part of a circle which has some division with the basis of angles, bacha. With the basis of angles, it means that this figure you can see here, OAB, is called as a sector. It's called a sector. I can write it like this. This is a sector, sir. Okay, please check. This is a sector, bacha. Now this angle you check out over here, this part is called as the angle of the sector given by the reference angle or any variable theta in a for example, okay, theta is a variable used for this angle. Check here, AOB, angle AOB is theta. Now, with the known value of theta, we can find the area of this sector and the perimeter of this sector and the arc length of this sector as well. Okay, means this curve perimeter we can find, and the what is this, bacha? This is the radiuses of the circle. No, chaliye. So first thing is, how do you find the length of this arc AB? Arc length AB will be given by what, bacha? Will be given by, please check out over here, will be given by theta by 360. Theta by 360 times of 2 pi r. How come, sir? Because you check here, the total section is, sir, 2 pi r. What is the section, bacha? Theta by 360, that's why 2 pi r, sir. Okay, what about the area? The area, if you look at, the area will be given by what, bacha? Will be given by, for the same sector, AOB, please check here, will be given by what, bacha? Theta by 360 by the area. What is that? Pi r square. What is it? Pi r square. Have a look. Okay, the whole area by this section. What is that? Theta by 360. Okay, so this is the two formula that is very, very important for sectors. Let's look at the segment part now. What is the segment, sir? Segment, again, we have to draw a sector for this. So once the sector is drawn now, okay, if you draw a chord for that particular sector, okay, for a chord for the particular sector, means I can draw a segment without a sector also, means like that I can draw a segment over here. I'll have two segments like this. This is called as major segment and this part is minor segment. What is this, bacha? This is the major segment and this is the minor segment. Minor segment. Okay, so now you have to find the area of this segment. What are you going to do? Find the area of this sector with the angle theta. Okay, find the area of the sector. Let's call this sector to be sector 1. Okay, and this triangle to be sector or region 2. Then to find this area, okay, what you have to do? Area 1 minus area 2, bacha. What is area 1, sir? This is for sector, sir. Sector with the angle theta. So find the area of sector with the angle theta and then find the area of the triangle which is shown over here. Once you are able to do that, okay, once you are able to do that, what are you going to do? Subtract them to get the area of this segment. So that's it. There's no standard formula over here, bacha, but that's the concept that you have to use to solve any question in segments. I hope this is clear. Clear, right? Looks weird, but that is what it is. Okay, find the area of sector and subtract the area of triangle from it to get the area of segment. We have taken the question on this. We'll solve it. Don't worry about it. Let's move on to problem solving now. Question number 1 from MCQ category if in the given figure angle C and angle D are equal, 90 and 90, great sir. Angle B is 60, what is angle A sir? Sum of all angle of a quadrilateral is always sir 360, means angle A would be, bacha please check here, 90 plus 90 is 180, right? What are you going to add to 60 to get 180? 120 degrees, bacha, 120 degrees, right sir? So this angle A is 120 degree. Now we are looking for what? They have given AP is 3 centimeter. Find the area of shaded region. Okay. What is this sir? This is a sector, no bacha? How come sir? How come a sector? I can draw a circle like this sir. Correct na? I can draw a circle like this sir. Over here, please check. Okay. So even that sector, the shaded region is part of a some circle with radius what? With radius 3. Okay. With point A as a center. So I can write the area as the required area as what bacha? Please check here. Theta, which is how much? 120 by 360 times what bacha? Times pi r square na? Pi, what is r square? R is 3 here. Please check 3 here. So 3 square. Check this out. 12 times 3 is this. So 1 by 3. How much is this? Pi times of 9. Cancel this 9 with this. What I'm getting sir? Only 3 is left. So 3 pi. Area is going to be in centimeter square. So centimeter square. Option number A is more suitable. Have a look. Option number A is more suitable. Please have a look. Please have a look. Okay. Right. Yes, simple question. Very, very simple question. Okay. Chaliye. Moving on to question number 2. Moving on to question number 2. If an arc subtends an angle 90 degree at the center of a circle, let's draw the arc. So let's say I have a circle like this. Arc is like this. Angle subtended at the center is what sir? 90 degree. Then the ratio of its length of the arc, right now, its length means what? This length, right? They are asking me to find what? Arc AB length upon circumference. Circumference, right now? What is arc AB length, bacha? Please tell me. It's going to be sir, this angle theta, how much is that? 90 degree upon total angle 360 times what? 2 pi r divided by circumference, which is what sir? 2 pi r. Cancel this 2 pi r and 2 pi r cancel. What I have? Simply 1 by 4 is my answer. 90 times 360 will be what? 9 times 44 will be 360 only. 9 4s are 36. Option is B sir. Option is B sir. Don't write answer as 4 by 4 to 1. Answer is 1 to 4. Why sir? Sector 2, length of the sector 2, the circumference. Circumference is bigger, no? Very important. Length of the arc to the circumference is going to be what? Always a smaller fraction, 1 by 4, less than 1, obviously, proper fraction. So answer is 1 by 4. I hope this is clear. Yes, question number 2 is done. Let's move on to question number 3 sir, which is assertion reason. Assertion reason, question number 3, let's solve it right now. The area of a sector of a circle with radius 7 and angle 60 degree is given like that. Let's verify it. We know the formula. Theta by 360. Theta is 60 degrees sir. 60 degree by 360. Okay, great. Times pi r square. So what is pi going to be sir? Pi means 22 by 7 bacha. What is r sir? They have given r as 7 bacha. Please check here. 7 square means 49. Correct, I can do directly, no problem. This is sir 1 by 6. How much is this bacha? 7 7s are 49. Okay, what I am getting? I can cancel this. 2 3s are and 2 11s are. What I am getting bacha? Please check. 7 into 11. 77. What about this? By 3. Correct sir. Assertion is right. Assertion is right. Let's look at the reason now. Area of sector of a circle of radius r and an angle of the center is given by what bacha? At an angle theta. Angle theta at a center is given by this formula. Correct sir. So answer is option number A. The same thing we have used here. Please check. Theta by 360 upon pi r square. We use the same formula, means option A is correct. Reason explains the assertion and both of them are true. Both of them are true. Please have a look. We have checked over here. Okay, 1 second. We have checked over here. Question number 4. Question number 4. Assertion is again coming for you. What is it? If circumference of a circle is 44 centimeter, okay, it means they have given 2 pi r as 44 centimeter. Great. Then the area of the quadrant of a circle is 38.5. Quadrant means what? Quadrant is 1/4 of the circle, right? The sector which is having 1/4 of the circle. Okay, chaliye. Area equal to 1/4 of the circle. Okay, sir. Please check now. First find the r value from here, bacha. So 2 into 22 by 7 into what, sir? R equals to 44, sir. Please check now. 222, 44 cancels. What is it, sir? R equals to 7 centimeters. If you're not sure, please do the calculation, bacha. You can get the same answer. Don't worry about it. Just do the calculation. Keep R over here. Take everything on the other side. You're going to get the answer as R equals 7 centimeters only. Chaliye. Area of quadrant, how much is that, sir? I said 1/4 of the area of circle. So pi r square. 1/4 as it is. Pi will be what, bacha? 22 by 7. What is r, sir? 7 square. So 49. Check this out. 7 sevens are 49. What I'm getting? This is 2. This is 11. Okay. So what is this, bacha? 77 by 2. How much is that? 3, 16. So 8.5. 38.5 centimeters square. Centimeters square. This is correct, bacha. Please check. This is correct. Assumption is true. Reason, please check. Reason now. Circumference of a sector of a angle theta at the center of a circle with radius r is circumference, they are saying. Correct, no? 2 pi r times of theta by 360. That's correct. But this is equal. This is not explaining the reason. Assertion, sorry. Reason does not explain the assertion. Both of them are true. So option number B is suitable. Both are true, but reason does not explain the assertion, sir. So option number B is suitable here. Okay. B is suitable over here. Please have a look. Okay. So I'll just give you some time to have a look on this. Very good question. Now we are going ahead to solve subjective questions, bacha. But before I move on to that, I have an announcement for all of you regarding your DSET program. We are conducting this year as well. We conduct every year. It's called as Diksha Scholarship Aptitude Test. What we do in this, we help our students, grade 10 students, to understand their, what is the right choice for themselves after 10th grade. Means whether they should go with commerce or arts or science with math, without maths, okay? Or if somebody is very clear with it, let's say I want to do engineering, sir, so I have to take science and maths, but it will help you to understand, the program will help you to understand your competency level for JEE, NEET and KSET, okay? How it does, we'll talk about that in detail when I'm, explaining you the structure of the program, okay? But right now, just understand this. It'll certainly help you understand and make the right choice, for your career, bacha. Okay. Now one more thing, how to enroll in the program. This will be given. The link for this is given in the video. Go ahead, check the video, the link in the video. Okay, description. Once you visit the link, enroll over here and get in touch with our team, support team. They'll help you out to book a slot on Sunday for 3 hours. Okay, at the offline campuses of Diksha. You have to visit the campus, bacha, for 3 hours, and once you visit the campus, you have to take the program. How the program proceeds, we'll talk about that in detail at the end of the session. I hope this is clear. Moving on to our question solving right now. Question number 5. Chaliye, kar lete hain. Please check. OAQB is a quadrant of a circle with center O. Center O. Okay, means this big thing is itself a quadrant. Very good. Okay. C is the midpoint, means again a semicircle is present here with C is the midpoint, where C is the center and CD and CO and CB are the radiuses given as 7. Find the area of the shaded region. Check here very carefully. From the big area, the quadrant area, I subtract the small semicircle area. My job is done, right? From the big area, I subtract the semicircle area. I'll get the shaded region area. So let's look for the big area first. Okay, so I'll write it over here. Required area is given as, please check, the quadrant area. How much is that, sir? 1/4. 1/4 times of what, bacha? Times of, please check, times of pi. Radius, sir. This whole thing is the radius, bacha, na? For the big quadrant, the whole thing is radius. BO. They have given here B is midpoint. Sorry, they have given C is midpoint. It means OC and OB are equal. OC and OB are equal. So basically, OB will be twice of OC. How much is OC, sir? 7, bacha. So OB is how much, bacha? OB is 14 and this is nothing but my radius. Please check here. So pi times of 14 square. This is the area for the first part. Have a look. 14 square. Okay, great. Minus the semicircle area. So 1/2 times of pi r square, right? What is the radius now? Only 7 square. Please check. Only 7 square. Okay. Can we take something common? Of course, sir, we can take 1/2 common. Okay, and we can take pi also common. Okay, and we can take 7 square also common. Please check this out. 1/2 is left over here because I had taken only 2 common, na? So we have 4 here. So 1/2 is left. Pi I have taken. What is left over here, bacha? Please check. Please check. I have 14. I have taken 7 square common, sir. So for each 14 there will be 1, 2, right? I have 2 14 over here. For each 14 I will have 1, 2 left because I have taken 7 commons from there. 14 is what, bacha? Please check. 14 is, sir, 7 into 2, na? So from each 14 I have taken 7 common. What is left now? 2 2's. It means 2 square. Nothing is left here, so minus 1. Please check here. So what I'm getting, bacha? 1 by 2 times of 22 by 7 times of 7 square. Okay. What about this? I'm getting 2 square by 2. So 4 by 2 minus 1. Please check this out. 7, this cancels. Okay. 2 will cancel this. So 11. 11 7s are 77. What about this? 2 2s are 4. 2 minus 1. What I'm getting? 77 area, right? So centimeter, is it? Centimeter square. Excellent question. What is this, bacha? This is your required area. Required area. Excellent question, bacha. Please check. Okay, excellent problem. 77 centimeter square. A very, very good question. We have to find the area of quadrant, the big one with the radius OB. Okay, and subtract the area of semicircle from there with the radius OC. Please check. Quadrant area, and this is the semicircle area. 1 by 4 for the quadrant, 1 by 2 for the semicircle, but they have different radiuses. Radius is 14 here and radius is 7 here. Please check. Answer is 77 centimeters square. I hope this is clear for you. Moving on to the question number 6. Excellent question. Please check. An arc of a circle of radius 21 centimeter subtends an angle 60 degree at the center. Excellent. Okay. 60 degrees subtended like this. This is 60 degree, bacha. Okay. Okay, sorry. 21, na? Only sector, right? Chali. Okay, no problem. This is 60 degree, 21 and 21, no problem. Find the length of the arc. Length of the arc, I can find it over here only. We're looking for this length, AB. Arc length AB, please check. So arc length AB will be given by what, bacha? Please check. It'll be, sir, 60. So theta by 360, no? So 60 by 360 times of 2 pi r, sir. So times of 2 pi r, bacha. Okay. How much is this, sir? Cancel this. 6, sir. How much I'm getting? 1 by 6 times of 2 into 22 by 7 into r. How much is that? 21. Please check. 7 6 are 42. 7 6 denominator 42 and 21 into 2 is again 42. So cancel 21, 2, 7, 6. What I'm getting the answer as? Arc AB, arc length AB is nothing but 22 centimeters. First part answer is done, sir. Part 1 answer is over here. Please check. Part 1 answer is over here. Simple or not? Very, very, very simple. Okay, chaliye, moving on to second part. The area of the minor segment of the circle made by the corresponding chord. Excellent question. So draw this segment now. Join the chord. Right now, corresponding chord is this. They're looking for this area, bacha. This area. How we find this area? Area of sector minus area of the triangle. Sector minus area of triangle. Which sector? With the angle 60 degree. So please check what I'm getting. Let's find the area of sector first. Area of the sector. What are we getting? Same thing, sir. Theta by 360. So 60 upon 360 times of pi r square, right? So 22 by 7. Pi is 22 by 7. R is what, bacha? 21 into 21. Check this out. 6 again, sir. Okay. Great, bacha. What I'm getting now, sir? What I'm getting? Please check. I'm getting this as 1 by 6, 22 by 7, right? I can cancel more over here only. 1 second. I can cancel more terms over here only. Check this. 7 3s are 21, 3 2s are 6 and 2 11s is, how much is that? 11 into 21, how much is that? I think it is 232, 231. Please check. 21 and 21. So 1, 3 and 2. 231, sir. 231, sir. Area, right? So centimeter square. Centimeter square. Please check this out. Do the multiplication of 21 times of 11. You're going to get this as 231. Now we have to find what? Area of the triangle OAB. So area of triangle OAB. How much is that going to be, sir? Check this out. 60 degrees is this angle. They are, what is it? They are equal sides. Means again this angle and this angle is equal, bacha. Correct, sir. Isosceles triangle. This and this are equal. This 60 means this is also 60, this is also 60. Correct, na? Then only the angle will be equal to each other. This is 60, this is 60, this is 60. Which triangle? Equilateral. What is the formula? Root 3 by 4 a square or side square. In this case 21 only. So root 3 by 4 21 square, sir. Subtraction has to be done. Okay, let's do it. So I have to take one root 3 as a 0.1, okay, 1.73 I have to take. Please check over here. I'm getting the area of triangle AOB, is it right? Please check. Yeah, I'm getting this as root 3. How much is that? 1.73 I'm going to take by 4, okay, times of what, bacha? 21 into 21, right? Is it right? Please check. 21 into 21, great. Nothing we can do, we have to multiply this. So let's just multiply. Okay, I can just 732 I can take. Divide by 4. Something we can cancel. Please check here. I've taken root 3 as 1.732 because I'll cancel this with 4. So what I'm getting, sir, please check here. 4 4 is 16. Okay, 0.4 I'm getting. And 4 3 is 12. Okay. And 4 3 is 12. So I'm getting what, bacha? 0.433 times of what? 21 square is 441. Please check. 21 square is 441. I have to do 3 decimal multiplication, so I'm going to take this as 0.43 now. No problem. Okay. Just to make the calculation easier, I'm taking only one decimal place. So 0.433 is coming as 0.43. 0.43. Let's multiply over here. 441 into 43. What I'm getting? 3, 2, 3, right? 4, 3 1 is 3. 12 and 12 plus 1, 13. 4, 16 and 16 plus 1, 17. Please check this out. 3. How much is this? 6, 9, 8, 1. 2 decimal place, right? So 189.63. How much is that? 189.63. Since I've taken little less, I'm gonna take this symmetrically to some assumption to 1.190 only. So I'm just taking the approximation. Okay, 189.63. I can take it as 190. No problem. We're looking for what? Area of segment, sir. Area of segment, sir. How much is that going to be, bacha? Tell me here. This area 231 minus 190. 231 minus 190. How much is that, bacha? Please check here. 1. 3 minus 9. So 4. Okay. And 1 minus 1. So 0. 41 centimeter square. 41 centimeter square. This is area of segment, sir. Area of segment, bacha. Please have a look. Okay. Okay. This is it. Please have a look. This is it. From here, question number 6. I hope all of this is clear. First part was to find the arc length AB. We did that. Okay. Next part was what, bacha? Next part was to, we found this to be 22 centimeter, the arc length. Then this next part was to find the area of segment. For that we needed area of sector. So AOB minus area of triangle AOB. So area of sector came as 231 centimeter square and area of triangle came as 190 centimeter square. Approximation. This is what, bacha? Approximation. Okay. So 0.5 might be different, or 0.2, one decimal place might be different. Please check here. 41 centimeter square I'm getting for the answer of area of segment. I hope this is clear. Please have a look. Okay. So question number 7 now. Please have a look. Find the area of a shaded region given like this. PQ is 24, PR is 7. 1 second. This is 24 and this is 7, bacha. Okay. If you know Pythagoras theorem, you know the answer for the RQ is what, bacha? Is simply 25, right? RQ is going to be what, bacha? Tell me. Root of 24 square plus 7 square. Questions are how come, sir? Please remember, on a diameter, if you take a draw a triangle like this, or draw an angle on a diameter, will be always what, bacha? Always 90 degree. Always 90 degrees, sir. Okay. In that case, this is a right angle triangle. So we can apply the Pythagoras theorem. So 24 square will be added to 7 square. You're going to get this diameter square. How much is that? Please check here. This is going to be, sir, 576. How do you remember, sir? I've told you to remember till 26, bacha. It's going to be asking question. Okay. 576 plus 49. How much is that, bacha? Please check here. Root of 625. How much is that, sir? 25. Means the diameter is 25, bacha. The diameter over here is 25, bacha. Have a look. This is 25, bacha. RQ is 25. Clear, na? Once RQ is known, my life is easier. Let's solve it. To find shaded region, what I have to do? Find the area of semicircle minus area of the triangle. I'll repeat. Area of semicircle minus area of triangle, sir. Only calculation is there. I can do this. I can give you this as homework also. But I will solve it anyway. Please check. Okay. Because it's a good question, I want to solve it for all of you. I don't want to give you this as homework. I'll give you homework in the next session. Okay. Chaliye. So required area. Please check. Required area equals to area of semicircle, bacha. Area of semicircle minus area of triangle. Area of triangle. Excellent, sir. Please check out here. pi r square by 2 minus triangle area, sir. Very simple. Half into base into height. What is base, bacha? Only 7. Height is, sir, 24. Height is 24, sir. What I'm getting? Cancel this. 12, sir. Okay. Now over here. 1 by 2. Pi is 22 by 7. What is r, bacha? Diameter is 25. What is r? R is 25 by 2. I'll repeat. Diameter is 25. What is radius? 25 by 2. Right? So 25 by 2 the square minus 12 7 is 84. Check this out. Okay, sir. What I'm getting, bacha? I'm getting this. 2 I can cancel with this. 11 I'm getting over here. So I'm getting 11 times of 25 is there, na? So 625 I can write, bacha. 25 square is 625 divided by 7 into 4, sir. 7 into 4, sir, minus 84, bacha. Okay. First we'll multiply 11 and 625. Please check. I'm going to do it on this side. It's a rough. So 625 into 11. I love, multiplication of 11, bacha. Very simple. 5, 7, 8, 6. Just write one, digit like this. Replace one digit from here. Give the gap and just add them. 6, 8, 7, 5. So what I'm getting over here, please check. 6, 8, 7, 5 upon 7 into 4. Okay. Minus 84. Sir, very complicated. No, bacha, not complicated. Divide this by 7 once. Can we do it? Of course we can do it. Please check here. Divide this number 6875 by 7. Please check out this. Please check this out. 7 9s are 63, sir. Yes or no? 7 9s are 63. Yes, sir. Of course, sir. What is left now? I have 5 left here. 5 7 57 means 7 8s are 56. Okay. Again I have 1 left. 7 2s are 14. I have again what left? 1 left. So 7 1s are 7. I have 3 left. 7 4s are 28. We'll just leave it at this point. Correct. Now let's just leave it this point. 7 9 8 2.14. So this part is done. 6875 by 7 is done. So I can write what? Please check here. My required area. My required area. Please check here. 6875 by 7. How much is it? 982.14. 982.14. Is it over, sir? No, sir. We have one more 4 here, bacha. We have one more 4 here. Minus 84. One more 4 here. Minus 84. Please check. Divide, bacha. 2 is here. What I'm getting? 1 second. 2 4s are 8. I have this as 9 because 18 will be there, na? If you take divide by 4, I am doing it directly, but if you want, you can do the direct long division also, not a problem. 2 4s are 8. What is remainder over here? 1 is remainder. 9 was there, na? Remainder is 1 in the first term. 1 and 8, 18. 2 9s are 18. Gone. I have only 2 here. 2 1s are 2. Okay. 14 then 07. 14 then 07. What I'm getting, please check here. 491.07. Sir, so much why you're doing, sir? I'll just do it at once. Your choice. No, why I do this way? Because I am sure that I will not make any mistake in this way. That's why. Your choice. Whatever makes your work correct, do that. No problem. Do here. 2 2s are 4. 2 4s are 8. I have 11. So 2 5s are 10. I have again 1 and 0. So 15. I'll get 10 again. 1 is remainder over here. 0 is there. So 2 5s are 10 again. And what I have 7, right? So 2 3s are 6, bacha. And then 5 will come. Okay. Minus 84. I can just summarize this. It will become 245.54. Now I can round off to the second decimal place. Minus 84. So decimal place will remain as it is. 54 only, sir. 5 minus 4 is 1, sir. 14 minus 8 is 6, sir. And 1. 161.54 is the area. So centimeter is square, sir. This is my required area, bacha. Okay. Please have a look. Required area, bacha. Okay. This is it. I hope this is clear for all of you. Difficult? Of course not. You can practice this and these things will become very, very easy. I'll give you some time to have a look. Please have a look on all of this. Okay. And over here as well. I hope all of this is visible to all of you. With this, I'm gonna conclude the session, bacha. I have said that I'll talk about the structure of the program. So let's just talk about DCET program structure. 3-hour session, Sunday. You have to book the slot. How can you book the slot? Link is given here in the description video. Go ahead, check the link out and visit the link, okay, and enroll yourself. Get in touch with our team. Book a slot on Sunday for 3 hours. Where? Offline campuses of Diksha. Once that is done, okay, once that is done, 3 hours will be designed in such a way that you'll have a first hour as a concept lecture. Means we're going to teach you something for first 45 minutes. You can ask your doubts in last 15 minutes. So for the first hour, 45 minutes for your concept, last 15 minutes for your doubt session. 1 hour is over. Second hour, very important, aptitude test will be there, bacha. Means you can answer the questions based upon what I've taught you in the first hour. 2 hours over, last hour will be very, very important. Again, it will be evaluation session, means we will evaluate your paper and you can sit with us, with your parents, okay, and ask your doubts, whatever you have about your program, your academic things, you can ask, and we'll also tell you your approach to your problem solving, how can you improve that, what do you, overall evaluation of your paper, analysis of your paper, that what was your approach as a student, how can you get better for what you're looking for. So all of this will be answered once you are going for this program, okay. If you're having other doubts as well, do one thing, list out all the doubts in one piece of paper, bring that paper to the campus when you're visiting for the program, and once, I'm telling you, once you're leaving the campus, you'll be satisfied that all of your questions are answered and you're happy that you took the program. Please make sure that you are enrolled in this program. How to do that, I'll tell you everything, link is given, enroll yourself, get in touch with the team, book your slot right now. If this is clear, so with this positive note, I'm ending the session today, bacha. Session for sector and segment is completely over. We have done quality of questions today. The question number was less only, we have done only 7 questions, but all the questions were very, very good. So we have done all very good questions in the session today, which will help you understand the concept of sector and segment very clearly. Any other feedback you have, let me know in the comment section. I'll try to get better for you. So let me know, bacha. This is it for the session today from my side. I'll see you in the next session. Till then, take care. Bye-bye.